When we come from a balanced state and we have listened and aligned our multiple intelligences in our head, in our heart and in our gut, then we can reach true wisdom. But what is wisdom actually? Well, first of all, no one who was ever wise thought they were wise. It's not a thing you can achieve and then put on your CV. Wisdom is a process. It's a changing state rather than a static absolute state.
In MBIT coaching, we talk about wisdom having three main components, which we call the highest expression of each of our multiple intelligences. The highest expression of the heart is compassion, true compassion for others and for ourselves. The highest expression of the head is creativity, the ability to innovate and find new solutions to old problems. And the highest expression of the gut is courage, the strength to do something even though we might feel a little scared, taking courageous action.
As they say, wisdom comes from multiple perspectives, and in this case, wisdom comes when we combine all three of them. When we start with our values and our compassion, and then use our creativity to find new ways of expressing that compassion, and finally adding our courageous action taking to bring our creative compassion out into the world around us. That's how we can build wisdom into our own lives, but also bring more wisdom to the world around us.
To see what trainings we have to offer at Reveal Solutions, go to revealsolutions.co.uk and follow the tab Course Schedules.